Welcome back, guys. Now it is 15th task that we are doing. In this, we will be using a nested if statement to generate values. Okay. Uh, Similar to the last if conditional statement, in this also we use data values from data input sheet to generate values in report sheet. So let us start working on this. Go to data input sheet and type Baskerville hard fright. Baskerville's hound fright still containing insert fright type. Okay, data input sheet, insert fright type here. Here it is. What yes, enter it. Use function. Use if function. Recommended fright type value. Calculate column. How it should be like $2.99 into item weight plus if distance is greater than 250. Two conditions, only two conditions or more? I need to check. Decimals, it should be rounded off to 2. So we start with round. That's fine, yeah. It's easy to fix it. Oh my god. Ah. Now let us start it. So I already tried it and I'm showing it now. In this one, what we try to use nested if statement. Okay, first as we need to round it off to decimals, I will be using round, open bracket, comma and 2 close. It means that the second part, it contains two fields. One is condition, one is the number, and the other one is decimal rounding off. How many decimals do I need to create? It is done. Now the first one is when the fright type is Baskerville Hound fright. Okay, let me copy this one. Okay, without extra spaces. Remember that when I copied it, it came like this. When I pressed left arrow button, reduce. Okay, keep this one for use. Now, when the type is Baskerville, fright type is Baskerville's Hound fright, then the value is calculated as 2.99 plus item weight plus if distance is greater than 250, some blah 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 value. Just cross check. First 2.99 into item weight. So here we start with if, and here data input. Just select this one. Put dollars to that. Dollar, dollar. Because as we will be dragging it to the next level. Okay, is equal to open double quote as we have copied the value. I am pasting it. Then what should be done? Comma. Again there is a comma and the value should be 0. If this condition is not true, it should be 0. So I'll give this one like this. Now first what I do is first I will implement first conditions, then I will initiate second one. Okay, so I'm trying to initiate implement what should be happen when we select Baskerville's hound fight. Okay, here condition is 2.99 plus and report weight should be selected. Flight weight. Right. Okay, got it. Plus, then, sorry, this should be multiplication into report weight. Then plus if what I do is I will keep these two things in bracket because we have additional ifs, right? So that will be a problem if we don't properly create it. Now, if Flight distance is greater than 250. Distance is greater than 250. 0.0025 into distance. 0.0025 into again distance. Alright, if this is not happening, then we declare it as 0. So these two are green brackets, so it is closed. uh, Blue is closed, everything is closed now. That is, this is perfect one. Let us check what's happening. We found a typo. Your formula tried to correct it. There is a typo. Let me check where he is corrected. D5 is equal to hound of Oscar left right, then report Q4 plus report I4 is greater than 250. 0.05 into report I4 0 otherwise. Then 0. This is done. So for first type we have done. The other type is Arthur Cannondale Transport. Cannondale Transport. Okay, copy that one without spaces. Right now it is 1.75. If weight is greater than 75 kg, item weight minus 75 kg into 2.275 into order quantity. This is quite different when compared to the previous one. So let us implement this one too. Now here we have 0, right? Before closing this one, select that and start writing condition. If data input, this one is equal to selected value, then 1.75 plus if condition, if item weight greater than 0.75, item weight greater than 0.75, comma, item weight minus 0.75, item weight minus 0.75, into 2.75. 2.75. This won't happen, it should be 0. If condition is fail, that should be 0. Now we close this function. I will use one more function to close the main one. Problem with closing parenthesis. So why do I need this? This is the confusion, right? So this one is open, author calling, then transfer open. This one is not closed, I guess. Now it is fine. Till now it is closed. For this I have to use one more column, one more bracket I guess. 18.83. Let me check it. Basket is equal to 2.99 into report K3 if it is greater than 2.5 to 50 then 0.0025 into report I4 0, comma if data input D5 is equal to R3, then one bracket 1.75 plus if report O4 greater than 0.75, report O4 minus 0.75 into 2.75, otherwise it should be 0. So why do I need bracket for now? This is how it is calculated. Now drag it down. So better we check D5 here. D related data input related files should be updated, right? Only two areas where we have details related to the data input. So drag it down now. This formula is a big one, so it is some time taking. However, I will be sending it to you now. You just try to implement using just cross checking the functions. Task 15. So remember one thing, guys. Uh, See, if this contains spaces also, it won't work. Let me show you once. So if this contains space, it automatically shows the values as 0. Understood? So cross check your spaces after and before text that you paste. Oh my god, this I forgot report. Right. So now all the values are generated. I guess we have another two tasks to finish. Report is done. Another two tasks are remaining to finish the activities.